Hello, my cuties! Let's make some juicy and yummy chicken lollipop today. Let's start with ingredients. 8 to 10 chicken wings or drumettes, soy sauce, red chili sauce, optional for spice, tomato ketchup, ginger garlic paste, corn flour, all-purpose flour, maida, salt and pepper to taste, oil for frying. Instructions: cut and shape the chicken wings into lollipop shape. Push the meat down the bone. Wash and pat them dry. In a bowl, mix soy sauce, chili sauce, ketchup, ginger garlic paste, salt and pepper. Add corn flour and all-purpose flour to make a thick coating batter. Add a little water if needed to make it smooth. Add the chicken lollipops to the mixture and coat them well. Let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes to absorb flavors. Heat oil in a pan on medium heat. Fry the lollipops until golden brown and crispy. Drain on paper towels. Serve hot with chili garlic sauce or ketchup.